Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PayPal account if it has been hacked. To fix a hacked PayPal account, first of all, make sure to go ahead and open a web browser. In the URL box, type in paypal.com. After you end up in the home screen of PayPal, tap on the login button at the top right. Inside the login screen, type in your email or phone number associated with PayPal. After typing down the email or phone number, tap on Next. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter your password. Simply tap on Forgot Password link. Now, once you see this page, you can choose one of these options to regain access back to your account. Choose any one option from Get a Text, Get a WhatsApp text, or Verify your photo ID. Tap on the Next button after making a choice. Now, if you have access to these options over here, you will be able to change your password on the next page. Once you change your password for PayPal, you will be able to lock the hacker out of your PayPal account. But let's say if the hacker has changed your mobile number as well. In that case, it's gonna be a little difficult to restore your account, but you can simply contact the PayPal support by scrolling all the way down and tapping on Contact Us. Now from the list, inside the Help Center Contact Support page, you can go ahead and message the Help Support team by tapping on the Message Us button. You can also use other options such as calling the PayPal customer support team directly. You can tap on the Call Us button if you want to make a phone call to the support team, and after you do so, you can mention that your account was hacked and provide details of the unauthorized access for further investigation. The fastest and the easiest way you can resolve the issue by simply tapping on the Call Us button and make a phone call and speak to the customer service representative, and make sure to mention that your account has been hacked, provide as much details available with you, and also make sure to mention that your phone number was also changed and your account has been hacked. After you go ahead and speak to them about your issue, then they will be able to guide you through necessary instructions and help you get full access to your account back again. To prevent future hacks, avoid sharing login credentials or clicking on suspicious links. Regularly visit your account's activity and settings to keep your account away from any unauthorized access. I also would like to suggest you to always turn on the two-step verification for your PayPal account in order to prevent such problems. So that was what you can do if your PayPal account was ever hacked. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.